What's up, y'all? It is January, which means it is close enough to turkey season. These things are getting drugged back out. Today I'm going to show you how to gobble on a mouth call. I like to take the tape of my call and I stick it up in my top lip, and I take the metal band and I press against my bottom lip. I'm saying tuka 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 into the call to make the gobble sound, but I put my hand over the call to give it a darker tone, like a more mature bird. So, saying tuka tuka tuka. That's how you gobble on a mouth call. I'm a little bit further away now, which should kind of make it sound more like a turkey.